Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is gonna be a pretty short video, I hope, about my fan spoofers. So this is the fan spoofers. I ordered 20 of these on Fruition Designs website. I have a links down below, but it's a pretty good deal. If you get 20 of this, I think it's like $4 each compared to Amazon. Probably best deal is like $8 a piece. I think it's worth it. It's like you pay for 20 pieces. I forgot what it is. Let me check it out. So yes, I did pay $87 for 20 of these. So it's a $4.35, including delivery, shipping and everything. So taxes and all that. So basically it's a pretty good deal. Anyways, how do I check my, this video about how I check my fan spoofers. I have a bad one here. And I have this fan controller that I use for my KS0 Ultras fans to control the fan based on the temperature sensors, temperature on this sensor that I put next to my KS0 Ultra. You can put inside or outside or just the ambient temperature and set your fans on the specific speed, like pretty much like AC Infinity fans has the option. So this is just a board like this. You connect to 12 volt and you can control two of the fans. So anyways, I put this bad fan spoofer right here to pull it out right there. So I marked it is the bad fan spoofer number 4, and the first row, the lights right there, it represent this fan connector, and the second row is temperature, and then the second 0 speed is on the second, basically because I don't have any fans. So now I do have one of these spoofers that works occasionally, so it's kind of weird, but when I put and test, it works. I can put into my KS5L or KS5M miner and it will work. So I'll show you right there. It's showing 3500 RPM. So it looks like it's working fine. And then I put in the miner and it stopped working maybe after 10 hours or one day. I put back in the tester and it doesn't work, and then it restarts. So this is just a buggy one. It's so you can have something like similar to this and you would see like, oh, it's working, and then it's not. So it's time to change. So I marked it and it's completely off. So this never comes back. So when I connect on the second row, you could see 0 on the second row on this fan. Now let's put the new one. So I'm gonna break one new and I'm gonna connect on the first row and we're gonna spoof it up there. So you have 7100 RPM, so it goes to, I think, maximum to 7200, something like that, which is great. It's for works for KS5Ls, for KS5M, and previous version KS3, KS3M, and so forth. Even I don't know if we can use it for KS0 Ultra. I haven't tested if it's a 12 volt, but I believe it's a 5 volt fans there. I need to really check those out. Maybe not. No, it's actually, I think it's 12 volts. So it may work as well. So anyways, that's how you test your spoofers. So that's the video about this fan spoofers. So if I put correct 2 of the newer ones right there, just to show you guys, it will right there show my fan speed here on the second row, 5000 RPM, 7000 RPM. Basically because temperature set differently on both of them. So, and you can even test if you can control this. So I can second row, I can change my temperature here to start low. Let's say, let's do start low, a lot lower. So I can show you, let's say 20 degree, and we will get 7000 here and 7000 on the second row. So basically, it all depends on the temperature and the working, so that's how you can test it, because by changing the fan temperature, I can change the fan speed, and it's showing me proper information here. So these 2 are the newer ones are working, but the number 3 is the junky one that it works occasionally. So I'm gonna try again, connect. But I wonder if it goes to the full speed. So let's check it out if it's gonna go to 7000 RPM. Well, it looks like it goes to 6300 instead of 7000. So if you put it to the full speed and you're not getting, so that's how you can determine that's possibly a faulty. Let's put on the second one. So possibly that's how I can check and make sure it's working. but it's not going to the full speed, so it may, oh look, now it's showing 88,000 RPM. So definitely something wrong with this, because it goes to either 6,000 on the full or 9,000, which is obviously not correct speed. You have to get like almost, you saw it 7180 or 7200 RPM on the full speed. Let's go back here on the first row and check again. Now it's showing again 830. So it went to 720, but then it's 8,430 RPM. Before it was showing 650. So definitely a buggy one. So that's how you can test your fan spoofers. Hopefully that video helps someone before you put it in the board. Because to test it in the board, you have to start the miner and then guess which one is not working. Because the miner may not even start on the web GUI, so you would not see which fan is not showing. So it's kind of hard. You have to almost replace all four and kind of do the guesswork. So this will eliminate guesswork. You can test each one of them, and obviously like this buggy one showing 8,000 RPM instead of or 860. So it's jumping, so it's not stable like it's supposed to be. If I put the new one in just to show you guys how it's supposed to be, it will just have to show 7,200 RPM, so roughly like between 71 on the 100% to 7,200 RPM, and it's pretty much stable there. 717, 718 right there, right? So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. Thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next one.